Miss me. Miss me, fool.
Right.
Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica Worst Gamer here with another one. Yeah. Guys, we're here. We're back in the city of GTA of Los Santos. I miss this city, man. This is online, by the way, guys. You see the thumbnail. Today, I'm dressed as an NPC and I'm grooving. I am going out to troll people and probably get trolled. I'm playing on the PC, so therefore there could be lots of modders, cheaters in GTA. So I'm not sure how many people's online. 10 people's online so far. That's good. That's nice. So I've changed my walking style. I need to go and change my hat now. Take my hat off. I'll probably go to the barbers and change my hairstyle. So let's take the hat off and then go outside. So I need to get a normal car. Don't know what weapon I'm going to use it to troll these people, but yes, I need to do what I gotta do, man. So go outside and go to the barber shop first of all, and
Traffic was backed up for miles.
Who's around? There's no one around me. That's good. Okay, let's run and get a car.
Man, that freeway's been under construction for like 20 years.
And see if I can show some people. I need to get like a normal car, guys. A normal car I need. This one, I like this one. Get out. Out! Thank you. Okay, so this is... Okay, don't know what music that person was listening to, but... Where's the barber shop? There's one here, okay. Let's get to this barber shop, guys. So, what I need to do is try and drive as normal as possible when there's people around. After the barber shop, I also need to go to the gun shop and pick a different weapon. I've got the knife, but I think I need something else to troll. So I'll be walking up to players and just stabbing them and moving away. Obviously, doing it off the radar. And I need to remember how to do that now. Let's get to the barber shop. Is it down here? Yes, over here. There it is. That's NPC doesn't park like that. So why are you parking like that, sir? So here you go, guys. I've got a different hairstyle, and we are about to go to the gun shop, and then see if we can get something else, like a different gun or not a different weapon or something. Let's go to this one because there's no one over here as yet. So I have a knife. I'll think I want something else. Man, I've missed GT Online, man. I missed GT Online. Definitely missed it. Alright, here we are. Here we are, man. Let's go see what they got.
I mean, one minute he's tied up in a sex dungeon, and the next he's
what?
dead. It really means.
All right. Weapons. What? There's a machete. There's a hammer. Oh, I think I could use the hammer. Can I use the hammer? Use the wrench or the hammer. That's by the wrench and the hammer.
Silent but violent.
Yes, thank you very much. So I've now got my hammer, guys, and my wrench. One coffee in someone's head and they're dead.
$1,000 and $10,000 wine.
Sorry, I was distracted.
I need to work out how to go offline abilities. That's it. I'm remembering now, guys.
Exhibit at the museum is amazing.
Okay, so where are we going now? Where are we going? There's people there.
You're looking good.
There's someone there that's been killing people. Okay. So over that side. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's hope he's not moving. Is he moving? Yes, he is. Oh, he's in the same vicinity, so that's okay. Alright, let's keep my car in one good piece before reaching over there. Okay, I think it's time to go offline.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, I got 3 minutes. Let's go. Approaching him, we're approaching him, we're approaching. Where is he? Up there. What's he doing up there? Okay, let's put this away. Alright, let's just walk down normally. And then give it to him, Ricky. Let's try him then in. Let's try him then in. And we find him now. I think he's on top of this place here. I'm pretty sure he's up there. Shall we go up there, guys? Come on, stop it. Oh, shoot. Ah!
Yo, shout the season, man.
Oh, get your car, get your car. That's one. That's one down, guys. That's one down. Let's get away from this place. I'm gonna be hunted soon. I'm gonna be so hunted. Okay, that person spawned over there. Alright, cool. Let's go to someone else. So that person know exactly what I'm wearing now. I ain't got much time though. I need to get to the next one. He's checking for me. He's like, where the hell is that person? Who was that, man? Woo! Did that person say something in the chat? No. Come on, man. Please, let's go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Lester, help me. Lester, help me. Lester, help me. Lester, help me. Lester again.
I'm guessing you don't want a back rub. How can I help?
Off the radar, I can't do anything.
Okay, call me back once you decide.
I literally can't do anything. I got sniped. I got sniped. I got sniped. Oh, I got sniped. Okay, alright, cool, no problem. Alright, let's go again. Who's this? Where you going, bro? Don't come this way, bro. I'm a madman down here, bro. Don't do this. Bomba! Ah!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay, fool. I didn't. Yo, I'm trying to do something because I'm not seeing him sneaking up on me like this. How you gonna sneak up on someone like that, bro? Oh yeah, I just did the same thing. To be fair, I just did the same thing. All right, cool. Guys, this is not working out, guys. This is not working out. This is definitely not working out. Not for me. I need to message him and say, chill, bro. Like, seriously, chill. Okay, it's over there. I need to go over this side. Don't know what happened. pissing me off, dog. This boy is pissing me off. This boy is pissing me off. This boy is literally pissing me off. Alright. Alright, do it again. Do it again if you're bad. Do it again, bad man. Come again, bad man. Oh, crap. Alright, he's shooting me. It's alright. Where is he now? Where is he? He's probably stealing a car. Ah! Bro! What the hell is your problem, bro? Alright, start a death match. Fool, come, let's go. Start a death match. Start a death match. Accept a death match. Come, let's go. This always happens where I end up getting trolled, dog. Like, this always happens to me. Go away! Go away, idiot! Go away, idiot! Ah! Sure he's downstairs. What gun is this? Oh, shotgun. Okay. Alright. I'm trying to do city patrol and someone's ruined my video. So, what I gotta do? I gotta take care of it. He's taking care of me, but you know what I mean?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, where is he? He's gonna come to the edge of that place. Come up there. Oh, you're not dying, bro.
No.
Alright, do I have a sniper? No, I don't. Come on, man.
Wait.
I'm getting demolished, my friends. I'm getting finished, my friends.
Oh no! I can't believe this. God must be playing a trick on me.
Oh my gosh, I can't make a video on in peace online, bro. I wish I was modded. There he is, rolling around.
All right, okay.
Okay, so I just said, man, you win. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Where is he? Bro, let's be friends. Chill, bro. Let's be friends. Read chat. Okay, you're doing that stuff. Okay, you're doing that still. You're still doing that, bro. You're still doing that, yeah.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
You still want to do that there, yeah.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Okay, alright, guys. Guys! This is where I'm gonna end this video. I'm not playing this with this guy no more. I'm not doing this with this guy. I am not doing it with him. He's disrespectful. He's coming. He's coming up the hill now. There he goes. Here he comes.
You gonna smack me, bitch? In front of my friends? You gonna smack me?
Yo! I saw me get crap at GTA, bro. Online. Bro, I am getting demolished, bro. Alright, this is how I'm gonna end this one, guys. I'll catch you guys in our next video.
You feel me?
Man, what the is you talking?
City Patrol failed. City Patrol attempt failed. See you guys.